So you all are seeing my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you see two candles after certain red candles coming down, and then what we are seeing is simple, two candles trying to show the tail down, tail or wick or whatever, right? So you see two times that wick is coming up, it means there is a buyer are coming up. Now see the left side, last time when it came again on the same place, it turn around. So turn around is here, and this is also showing you next candle closing high. Your order can be here or closing, means candle closing here and you can order here, right? So again it came up, left side it is a seller sitting there, it came back here, it tried to break it. See the candle, this candle is saying we want to go up, but next day when it's tried to go up, seller came back and giving the B grade candle. Now after B grade candle, what is going to happen? It has to take some time to spend here. It gave you the green candle here after two, but never worked because it was a big grade candle. It was a really big grade candle. So it has to go little bit, spend some time. So if you see here, and this is not like closing below here, but it's like spending time here. Now again it get a big green candle. If you buy this after so many red candles, is after downturn, if you buy this, it's never close below and still come back again. But it's just range bound right now. Microsoft is has to close above. After this result it may close above and then start a new trend. Right now it's just jumping around from here to here, here to here, just playing around and spending some time to see how the result will come, right? So we can, Amazon, same thing happening with Amazon, is just jumping around. You can make money if you don't, means know that it's jumping just around here. Where is the our candle, buying candle, left side, see, and you can make money about it. So any specific stocks we need to see, we can see that. But any question on candlestick, anything on candlestick or anything on the chart, means how to fix the chart. I am not putting any indicator today. We are not going to discuss any indicator today. We are just looking at the chart, looking at the candlestick and setting up the your charting software. If you need help for that, let's talk. Yeah, yeah, Deepti.
Can you please tell me about Big C? I actually bought it according to the candle, according to the green candle, but it went down. I
Which
actually did
one?
not put a stop loss because I don't know. I can never learn putting stop loss. I don't know what happened, but it came back though. But I want to know, even after this green thing, still sometimes stock goes down. I
Which
bought
which
it.
which
Yeah,
one?
Big C, Big C.
Big C.
Yeah.
Big C has a lot of shorting right now, but no problem. See,
Yeah,
where
I bought it here. Like when it was a green candle around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 7, 8, 9, 10. Like I don't know. A few days back, it went down. The big red or more left, left. I don't
here,
know. No, yeah, over there, more left. When there is a big green candle here, right?
this
Yeah,
one?
somewhere
Yeah. So
here or
this
somewhere. Yeah, I don't
this
know.
green candle, if you bought it, you can buy it here. You bought it here. This is a huge big candle, right?
Uh huh.
And it gone up, came down, gone up, came down. So what is happening? Sellers are coming in. It was higher high here, first higher high. We'll go with the that concept also next time. But see, it came here, big candle. You see the big tail here, it came down, big red candle, never close above. First green candle, which is like really a green candle. This one is viable candle, viable place where you see that here down, if you already down after some time, if you see the big tail, don't worry about it, because that tail has to be above, not down there, okay? And only count tail is down candles. So this tail is just saying there is a more buyer, but because of this big huge pullback, there is more seller which is trying to get it down, but it's trying to go up. So you will see the price is going up. Now you are saying, you if you bought it here,
Yeah.
stock took time to come back here. It took so much time because of this back left side. You see this? So people already bought because of something. I am sure it's a IPO stock. IPO open and goes like 50%, 60% up. People buy and trade that stock. Now they are stuck. So what is going to happen with this? Right now, more and more people are selling out that stock. This is the location. It has to spend time. It has to distribute properly. It's a new stock again. So it has to distribute. It's getting nice support here where IPO open price, I think that's getting nice support here.
Mm.
Once it distribute properly, we'll see putting that moving average and everything will start putting it. You will see that why it work when moving average comes in the picture, right? So right now it's showing that big green candle. This is a good thing. So one bought, two buy, three buy. Somebody try to buy it here, but they are still struggling with these sellers because they have bought it higher and they are stuck. They are trying to sell it out. But this is green candles coming in, and that is a good thing to happen. That they are losing, and sellers are losing. More green candles is buyers are winning. So once they will be settled, means higher high will start coming. If you see, this is high, this is high, this is high, but this one is higher than this. No, this is lower than this. So this one is lower for this one is lower for this, and this one is right now still lower for this one. Once
Mm.
it start going above and then pull back, right? Last lower low start going up. Right now, every lower low is going down. This
Mm.
one low, this is low, this is low, going down. Once stock turn around, it will start making higher high, higher low and higher high. Then this will work. That stock is coming back near our 50 moving average. Will put it there, and then you will buy it and it will go. Right now, there is a more short sellers are there because of this. Whatever they did, take it stock to here, right?
Mm.
153, 150 means $60 ka stock. If you double it out, and now nobody is buying here, also they are selling. Whoever bought it here, they book profit here, they try to get it here, they just trading stuff.
Mm.
So it's you have to wait. If it is a good company, good thing, it will spend some time. This guys has to get out of it. More buyer big candles will come in the picture. Maybe this result will give some clarification that what's going to happen in the future with this stock. But once it start above 50-day moving average and then pull back, every pullback will be buyable once it gives the green candle. So new stock will be very difficult to
Mm.
play because it's all trader stock. You can't gauge it properly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same with RKT, I think, right?
Arki, oh, that is same thing, right?
Same thing.
Rocket is same thing happening. That $20, $17 stock is $33, double it out. Now people are going to just get it out of it because they made double in 10 days, 100% profit. Now it's more sellers are right now, but once it jump in, you will see big candle coming in. Once it start closing above, and then it will start going up. If it is a company is good, results are good, it will start going up, closing above moving averages, which is right now 50 is stopping it. But we'll put this all the technical indicator, and then you will see higher high, higher low clearly. Once it start higher high, you can start looking monitoring that stock.
Mm.
So right now it's just sideways, nothing doing some think about it, and then means some look something else, right?
Mm. Mm.
So this stock, see, whenever it comes down, it give you big. So these stocks, you see, it's a good stock. About laboratory, they have things going on. Stock overall is going up, but always stock goes up, come down also. So you should not buy here where it's giving you tail here, big tail. It try to break it, but left side. Always look the left side. Left mirror is very important. So it came back. Again try to come back here. What is going to happen here? Again it came back here, right? What is going to happen? So this will not allow it to go up. It has to wait some time, and then big buyers has to come in. Once big buyer will come in and close above this one. So we are waiting for the result. If buyers will come and they will win, or sellers will win and stock will come back. So it's now, right now, this is just waiting time. If you see, it's just
Maybe I have a question. If you check TradingView, if you check TD Ameritrade, if you check, Google, I mean, every or Zach, they have different earnings date. If you want to check
yeah.
before one and a
That's
half
why
month.
means some particular site means I mostly follow the these guys TOS. They have most of the real means reliable dates,
Oh,
but we can always go and Google it this about or go to the S&P site and check it out the dates. But yeah, possible. so, so here means again see the coming back down after few days. You see this candle. What it's saying, something is changing. You can buy or little bit add here because left side also supports you. And then this one is 100% saying, okay, this is ready because it's closing above red candle, going above. You should buy it and add it. So now that is the conceptually. You guys have any questions? That green candle, which is open here, what is this one candle mean? Any candle we pick, this candle means it came down, now close above. Same thing here. This candle goes above, means it's open here, goes above, come back and close down. That's why it's a red candle. Simple. So what is this high? What is this high? Tail is above, tail is high and this is low. There is no tail in down, which is low and close is the same thing. Okay. This is called engulfing candle, which tell you that this is changing and that should be you monitor because 1, 2 and 3 more than 2 red candle closing above. That is what we need all the time. So if you are using this script has one of the parameter which I am outside bar, right? Outside bar means I am already giving you that candle. So if you make it this candle outside bar, so see, you don't have to means go for it. It's just showing you that outside bar after few red outside bar. So if you want means use this script, you will identify the outside bar each time it will come. But again, there is a logic. Not all the outside bar is going to be viable. We need to see more than 2 or 3 red candle, then outside bar is viable. Okay. So any question on charting, anything you want to functionalize that you want to ask, this is day, you can select anything from here, that month, hours or daily candles, whatever you are looking. If you want to see the hourly, you select 1 hour. If you want to see daily, you can select daily. So everything is here in this menu. So if you have any questions about setting up the chart, please ask, go ahead. There is a number of type of charts. I have like Renko, which is time based, means this is all price based, not time based. They ignore the time, just change when price moving. Okay. And this is like a bar candle, line candle, Heiken-SE. I mean, sometime you use it, but just learn the one candlestick, master it. I like the candlestick, easy understanding. Try to understand first and master it out. So you can go above and select the candlestick. Functional means this one is adding the moving average or whatever you want. So it's just say moving. So you can find that means people are already scripted, or you can use the default indicator, which is means use any one of these. We will use some of the indicator which I already created the script. You can select some of them and just use it because there is a restriction on this. There is only 3 indicator are allowed. So I just script it out and have that in the one script workaround. Okay. Most of the time volume is always good, means having volume is always helps.
I have a question for volume.
Yep.
What is the difference between a red volume candle and a green volume candle?
That red candle is just showing you the this was the red day, nothing else. So don't worry about red and green. Mostly means you can remove the colors here, but only worried about this one. Which one is a big one? Which one is a small one? And all the psychology behind it. If it is a big red means big red candle, after few red candles, there is a big red candle comes and big volume. That might be a reversal candle. It's still going down, big red candle, but it's a down after few red candles it may change. Same thing if it is a few green candle and then big volume and green candle comes in, it might be a reversal candle for downside. So this has a lot of volume going up, but this might change because it's above. It here comes like this big red candle, big volume. That might be a reversal because it almost tired or something because you have to see the left also. So it's come back and come down and you see means big red candles coming in and next day it will give you the green candle. You may see that it might be reversal, but then we have to make sure that we follow one strategy all the time. There is a lot of strategy in the market, cup and handle, this and that and blah and blah. You can learn everything, RSI and Renko and everything. But if you make it simple, you just have to see this. And if you can do follow the same thing again and again, I am sure this will make your life easy. You can explain to anybody that why this is happening, why not. If you want, you can make means always. Once you put it this, you what you want to do is just line, right? So one high, higher high, put it like lines. It's simple. This one is like it's above, it's higher. So you can put number of lines, that doesn't matter. Once you understand the concept, that what concept we are trying to understand, it will be very easy and it will make it simple, very simple. Yeah.
Can you please explain your script here? Your swing with SMA. Uh,
Okay. Yeah, means ping me on. I will send you email.
okay, okay, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
I uploaded on the WhatsApp also, but yeah, sure. Okay.
So and can you explain how does your script work? Like so many things are there, or later on you want to explain? Like there are
Yeah,
so
we'll
many
go
later
next
on.
session. We'll go by say,
Okay.
script. Right now, just stick to this candlestick and charting, setting up the chart. Open means people are still not able to open the chart and see the candle and understand what is going on. They are afraid of candles. So I just want start using candles. Start looking at the candles. Look at the naked chart and look what's going on. You will figure it out what's going on. How many candles are coming in. Once it's start getting green here, you don't have to wait to hear when this getting break and blah blah blah. I can buy it here. This is my buy candle, right? Or this is my buy candle because after two red, this is good. So just once you start looking the chart, hundreds and thousands of chart, you will start learning that okay, this is what I am looking for it. And once you start looking with naked eye, putting the indicator around it, it will help to visualize. But we don't need indicator. It's easy. It's simple. Okay. Any more question? What is this? SLR. Okay. FSLR. So FSLR, this was the buy. After few days of down, big green candle. Always love the big green candle. When you see after few red, big green candle always is good. Now it's if you buy here, your stop loss is here. Understand why we are saying why stop loss is here. This is a seller candle. This left side is all seller. So what is going to happen? It has to break above, or it has to means come back and wait, stay some, spend some time here and don't break this one. Once it's broken, these guys also start selling it, and it can take down the stock. So stock is good. I am sure stock was above 50 moving. Yeah, stock is going up. This all means just indication of stock is going up, and we are just looking where to buy. So this was the buy, means after two, might be this two down, this can be buyable. So not all the chart and all the your favorite stock will give the same kind of indication, but this was buy, and if you have this is the stop loss, you have to hold for few days, but it will go up for sure. Right. Anything else before this close windows close automatically? So on any question on the candlestick or any in means thing on the charting package where you want to understand that what is going on, I need to know this, how to do this or that.
So Mayur bhai,
Yep.
what about the shooting star and the hammer? Does it indicate anything
So
in
what is the,
particular?
yeah, let me say tell you, this is a shooting star, right? Not clear one, but let me let's find not that great. We have T-Doc, I think T-Doc has it. Okay. So this was the shooting star, hammer above, right?
Right.
So what is indicating? What is the psychology behind it? After few green candles, after going up, means red candle in between is nothing else, but it's just a pausing and then again going up, right? After few going up, there is a tail on the top. What it indicating that these guys are tired, and if tail is coming when it's a left side, somebody was selling before, is saying it might go down, right? So that's what psychology behind it, that we are tired now, we are trying to go up, more buyers are entire day, they did market take it up, but in the end they are losing, and battle is means sellers are winning the battle and they are taking down. Now coming back to hammer, this might be not exactly hammer, but if you think about hammer, this it's a tail down, this is hammer, right? So you see somebody taking down the stock, but coming here, it's coming back. Entire day it was down, red candle. This was open here, goes down. So think about it, it's open here. It's a big red candle. After next day, it's open here, goes down. This was the entire day red candle. Buyers came in and then they take it up. So what it's saying psychologically, that this tail is telling you that this is the place where buyers are coming up. Next time I will always monitor this place, and if I want to add something, I can add, and then it will take it up, right? So again, next time it came here, this was the buyer place. So this close here on 157. Next day it opened here 151, 150 stock, 157 stock open on 151. It goes down 149 and then close up again 161. So what happened? This hammer told you that this place is nice place where people are buying. You can utilize that place next time if I am getting the chance. So just psychology, there is nothing. This tail is telling the story that when it goes down, somebody is coming and buying up there. So when it's a hammer candle, name is hammer, but our tail is just telling you that it's came down after few days, is not booking lower lows, last low is here, but it's never close under that, and it giving you the buy signal. You can book some, add some. If you miss this, next time it came here, you start thinking that buyers are here last time, you will try to be with them, or next time means next candle you will buy it and go up. Uh,
Got
just
it.
look for the tail, right? Above tail, so few candle goes up and you get tail, or few candles come down, and then you see the tail. So tail is telling you that there is a buyer or there is a seller. If it is already going up stock, that means it is already gone up. Tires, people are tired, and it's came in. Now, if you don't have this place, like I am where it was, I lost. Okay, here. So we don't know the next day, but one, two, three, four green candle, and this candle, what it says that it people are trying to take the stock up, but these guys left side, they are trying to sell it here, so it's came back. And then it, what next day will happen, next day it try to go down, but there is more buyers, so it not allowed to go down and go further down. But next day huge green candle comes, huge green candle comes, it's try to close above this tail candle, still there is a seller. Next day it takes down, but still closing in a green. It means there is a more buyer pressure is there. This is just a psychology. Psychology is telling you that this seller are losing, this seller are losing, this seller are losing here, because they try to take it down, but they are not getting support. They try to take it down, but there is a buyer. So they came up the green big candles. And if you can, means after two, if you buy it here or you can buy it here, because what is our psychology? Our trigger candle is saying two red candles after closing with the green big candles. If you buy can here or buy in the end of the day, because if you buy here and stock comes down, you have to sell in the daytime, right? So if you buy it here or buy it here, means few days or week you are going to hold it, came up, it's all closing above. Now this stock has to go up because there is a power. There is a power. Buyers are coming in, they have a power and they are going to get it up. So here also 2 days they are giving big red candles. Something is happening here. They try to take it up, but again here they came here and the red coming up. They try to get it again, same thing. Oops, 10 more minutes. Okay. And finally they get big red candle. Now this, what this many red candles is telling us, that it's buyers are trying, but what happening now, it's so many sellers, it just not going down. Stock is not going down because it's a really good stock, it's okay, but it will not go up also. So it's just waiting now. It's broke now, means it just got broke out. So to break it, it has to give big green candle above this all the break thing. So it took some time here. It came 2 days. It takes some time. Now break it. Next one more day, try to test it out. Again, buyers coming in. So stock is now in a trend. So it will, whenever it come down, you can buy it and ride with the trend. It is a good stock now. Okay. So it's all psychology. It's everything is psychology, and just looking at the candlestick and trend, that identifying the trend. That's very simple, but every time executing it is very difficult. So it's not easy. Very simple, but not easy. So just try to get this kind of chart every day, hundreds of chart. Post in the chatting room, right? We'll discuss that chart. We'll discuss why it's good, why it's not good, what is you looking at the left, what is the why we are looking the left, what's going to happen, what should be happening. So overall market is good and this stock is also in a trend. What is expected from the stock? That is all thing. Okay. Any other questions?
Mayukai, should we use a stop loss or should we average a good stock?
Uh, Stop loss, any stock, if you are having like a swing trading, you should use the stop loss, any good stock. If it is going up, you should be riding. Otherwise, good stock also hold for, like GE was a good stock one time, but 40 to $5, never know. So means have some mental stop loss. If you don't want to follow the one candle stop loss, have some mental stop loss.
But I have seen after some time, we not mostly it happens. We sell in loss. After 5 days, it goes up.
Yes. So that's why na follow less stocks, 4 5 stocks,
Yeah.
and then just follow those stocks. So like Microsoft, Apple, I think we can make it in Microsoft and Apple only. Means every month you can make some money in just these stocks only. We
Mm.
know these stocks very well. Just understand that stocks, and you will make money in these stocks.
Yeah, because
You
even
don't
if
have
you
to go in 5,000 stocks. You just make few stocks, your stocks, and know them very well. That where is the last stop, where is the next turnaround. You don't have to trade every day or every stock every move. So just wait for that turnaround. Patience that will very good required for that one.
Mhm. Is AMC a buy or is it because of the
EMC was see what happened. I was showing that volume thing, right? Once
Mm.
volume comes, there was means I know means some of the friend they like under $10 stock and I can't trade it, but that's why I open means discuss to this one that what happened. Some stock people are knowing that this company is going to be bankrupt, so they sort
Yeah.
the stocks, right? The stocks this sort this stock, and once that stock is sorted, like stock is like 1,000 stocks is there, but they sorted 150 stocks, 1,500 stocks. So what happened? If somebody's try to buy it, they have to buy it because they sorted the stock. They have to buy it. Their stop trigger will file, or broker will come and ask the money because stock will go up. So these kind of stocks, when come with the volume and goes above one big candle, why it goes up? Because psychology is telling that 100 stock hai, but people already short 150 stock. Now people, somebody just make it, they can manipulate the stock easily. So they try to buy 50 stock. So entire short the community, that community has to buy that stock back because they are shorting the stock. Now they trigger all the uh, stop losses, risk management, right? They always broker have the risk management behind this because you saw it, unlimited risk on upside. So this kind of stock can go unlimited upside. It maybe go like 30, 40. Looking at volume, something happened here. Somebody trying to manipulate the stock, and now it may go further up. Means I don't know where, but same thing happened with the GMC, right? The game stock,
Hey
which
Mayur, what volume is a good volume?
uh, 200-300%. Means you can see here, right? Last 1 month, 60 days, average volume greater than 100%. Means 60 days volume was 2 million, and this one is about 2 million. Last 60 days ka average nikala, and then above that. So this candle must be above kitna hoga. This was having a heavy sorted stock, GameStop, and it's one somebody came and played here. This is sorted very 120% sorted stock, and then somebody comes in and they played around. So what happened? These under $10 stocks, they just buy few, means like 5 million stock. They will buy 2 million stock on any price. So first 2 million stock will automatically trigger, everyone has to buy it back. And once buying back is going on, all the broker will go and trigger that. Their means portfolios risk management will trigger, and they have to buy back everything. Now stock is not available, and they have to buy whatever price available in the market. So $5 stock will, they will get on $40 $50 stock because they they don't have stock in the market, and they have to pay whatever market will ask because their portfolio risk is there, and they have to close that portfolio management, right? So this kind of stock, there is a number of sorted stock which is 100% stock, 60%, more than 60, 40% sorted stock, that will go up. So I have like one of the, I was looking at one more stock which I was looking, CRSR. CRSR is having this.
Corsair Technology.
So let me show you here. CRSR, right? So see the volume you see here. It's a gaming stock, volume is coming up. So I think this will happen again. It will hit here at least 40, $50 stock, right? It starts, somebody just got up, it sorted out again. It looks like too much sorted right now, and it will go up now. Same happened with the Fubo. So this one is gone up. Now it's so much sorted. They are trying to get the volume. You see the volume now? That's going to happen. If it is triggered here, it will again run for life. Like I'm expecting that this week something happened with this two stock because of volume. So hope for the best.
We should buy or we should not buy? I mean,
Buying, yeah, and put little bit. This is a 2-3 days trade, means not more than that. Just option. If you are buying option, that is a much better, means in this kind of thing.
how to buy
So,
option? Like,
so that will be the means we'll go for like few weeks. We'll reach there, call and put options and stuff. But let's everyone start with this. At least post few chart, for post few screenshot on the discussion and discuss why it's good and why it's not good. When next time we'll go over the indicator, why we are using indicator, those, because we don't need any indicator. We just have to look this two candle back and higher high. That's all. But putting in that indicator, it will show that it's why we are putting the indicator. And once we are done with that, people are comfortable, I will start to talking about option, what of how to buy option, what to do, how to manage the risk with the option, because there will be no stop loss with that. But how we can do the option with that. So I hope that will help. But I hope this is good right now. Any questions? Or we are good to close?